Hello and welcome back to another week's video. It's my cozy fall tier tray kitchen decorate with me. It's my third fall video with more to come in the coming weeks. If you are new, I want to extend a warm welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you for coming back for another week's video. I am excited to get started. Today I'm going to be focusing on my kitchen. I'm going to create a few tier trays, vignette, my pumpkin bowl, and I'm going to give my kitchen some fall vibes, some ideas so that you can get inspired. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I found this cute little teapot at the Goodwill store for 50 cents. I had to snag it and I brought it home and I spray painted it copper. I wanted a teapot, but they cost so much for those little tiny ones. I think I struck gold. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are. How well did I do with this teapot? I DIY'd it.
A photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top, but we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore.
I know this sign doesn't have anything to do with fall or pumpkins, but I do have a sense of humor, and I like to share that. My husband and I, we just get a kick out of the sign. He knows whatever I cook, he's going to eat it.
Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been.
I love decorating with faux desserts. My husband, he asked me, why are you always decorating with those fake desserts? I said, because they make great conversational pieces. He comes back and said, nope, they're very tempting, very tempting. LOL. These are just some of the things that goes on in my household that keeps our love alive.
Say something meaningful. Say something I don't know.
If you enjoyed the video, would you please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with family and friends. If you have not yet subscribed to the Shauna LaKale family, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also tap that notification bell. Family, I want to hit some more milestones and I can't do it without you. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. And guys, be safe out there. Continue to be safe, please, please. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.